On Wednesday we wear pink. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, as I'm sure some of you haven't, because it's BOXYCHARM day, and on BOXYCHARM day all the strangers come over and don't even say hi. Like, you come and you watch me, you can't even say hi. Hello. Hi. Anyways, as I'm sure you gathered from what I just said, 1, the title, 2, and the thumbnail, 3, today's video is going to be my May BOXYCHARM unboxing. For anyone who doesn't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a $21 a month subscription service where each month they take $21 from your account and then they send you 4 to 5 full-size products to have and to hold and to cherish and to love. And since it is actually BOXYCHARM's birthday month, birthday year, birthday, it's their birthday, they are giving us 6 products I saw online, so that's exciting. What is this? My skin is freaking out. Before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to tell you real quick because I know all of you guys are just going to watch till the products and then leave, so I'm going to tell you in the beginning. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot. So you'll want to subscribe to be entered into that, to possibly win. And plus, if you subscribe, you can come back and see my glorious personality. And I usually get my boxes pretty early in the month, so if you want to have early access to see what's in the boxes monthly, subscribe and you will see it each month, and other stuff. That's great, because I have, like I said, such a charming personality. So anyways, let's go ahead and just get on into this unboxing, yeah! If you would like to see what I got in the May BOXYCHARM, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this box. Just because I've had some people ask me in the past, my box weighs 0.8 pounds or 0.36 kilograms, in case you are curious, and the dimensions are 7 by 7 by 7. Everyone always asks and I always forget to tell them, I'm so sorry. So now let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! Okay, first things first, the card. So it looks like the theme this month is a Boxy Bash. It's got all the items on the back, their prices, their uses. I already went through, marked off what was cruelty free, added up the totals for you. I want to be as thorough as possible, as quickly as possible, so I can get this video up for you immediately. When I am filming this, it is Wednesday, hence the pink, because on Wednesday we wear pink. And it's a special day, or at least everything aligned perfectly, because Wednesday is actually my upload day, so you're getting 2 videos in one day from me, because I'm filming this on my lunch, I'm going to edit it on my lunch, and it's going to be up very soon. Very soon, you just watch. And I already uploaded a video this morning. I will link it up at the top. It is me opening up all the stuff from my Sephora VIB haul and showing you what I got. So if you'd like to see that, I will link it up there, and it'll probably be the video I put on the end screen for you at the end of this. Again, you should subscribe because, like, the dedication though, right? Okay, anyways. The first item I see is this guy right here. This is from Aesthetica. It is a brush. This is the P12. Nice opener. Why is this so difficult? And we got it. Has a weird smell, not gonna lie. A little like, reminds me of working on a car. Anyways, this is the brush here. It is soft. I did look it up, and Aesthetica is cruelty free. This brush retails for $27. And that, my friend, is why I do not like to go out and buy brushes, which is why I love subscription services, because I would never go out and see this brush and be like, oh, $27, that's a good use of $27. No, that wouldn't happen. But I love to have brushes. I love how brushes feel. I love to collect them. Hate to buy them. Happy to have it. Thank you, BOXYCHARM. Thank you very much. The next thing I see in the box is another brush set. So you have 4 brushes in this box. I'm into that because, again, I don't like to buy brushes. This is also from Aesthetica, and this is a 3-piece brush set. Guess how much this retails for? More than you want to spend, let's just say that. This retails for $45. I know that breaks down to only like $10 a brush, but still, ain't nobody got time for that. Oh my god, and now they're... Oh, also, if you can hear people talking in the background, again, I film at work because I want to get the videos up for you right away, and I'm not alone in the office today. The mailman came a little bit late, so there are 2 people out there talking. Are you kidding me? More? Okay, 10 minutes later, once I got all the brushes open, these are the 3 brushes here. We got an angled brush, this little pointy brush. I don't have anything like that. And then a spoolie, which I love to have, and this is a nice stiff one. I like that because it's good to brush out the brows, so I'm a fan of it. So it looks like these two brushes are supposed to be used for eyeliner, and then we have this one, which is like a spoolie for your brows. For me, I would use this one on the brows as well, and maybe this one for liner. I've never used that type of brush for liner, but I'm interested to try it, and it's perfect because it goes with another product we got in the box, which is a nice little segue into the next product. And that is this Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blackest Gel Liner. Pretty Vulgar has the cutest packaging. I know some people like it, some people don't like it, some people think it's cheesy. I think it's cute. Look at it, it looks like a little ink pot that you dip your quill pen in and doodle on your parchment and send out letters like in the olden days before the internet and TV. This gel liner retails for $24, and I actually have been pretty happy with Pretty Vulgar in the past. There was no seal on this, which I find a little weird. It was just like kind of loosely open, so I'm gonna have to see if it's dried out. Not dried out, black all over my fingernails. I've been wanting to try a gel liner, but I didn't want to buy a gel liner, so I'm happy that they included it in the box. And Pretty Vulgar is also cruelty free. I forgot to mention, this whole box is cruelty free this month. I went online, I checked all the brands, and everything is cruelty free. So if you do care about that, yay for us. If you don't care, it doesn't really change anything for you, but I think it's nice that they did that so that everyone can use everything in the box, essentially. It's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. It's good. Okay, the next item I see in the box is so cute. It's got a little BOXYCHARM logo on it, so it looks like it was made specifically for BOXYCHARM, and this is from Beauty Creations, and this is a matte lip gloss in the shade Sweetheart. And this lip product retails for $10, and this is the shade right here. It's a pretty shade. It looks like it would go with the lips I have on, or what? It looks like it would go with the eye I have on right now. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Oh my god, that smells like, what does that smell like? It's a very specific fruit scent. I know it, but I can't peg it. Oh, what is this? I don't know. It's like fruit candy, but that is the swatch right there. Let's go ahead and see if it dries down because it says matte gloss, which is confusing. How could something be a matte and a gloss? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. And in the meantime, while that dries, we will move on. The next thing I see in the box is from Cover FX, and this is their blurring primer. I am so excited to have this. I love getting new skin things to help with my face. I don't wear foundation, so I like to do other things to try to perfect the situation. I would have to see how this looks under my powder foundation, but I'm excited to try it. And Cover FX is not cheap. This retails for $38. On the back, this says not for resale, which has me a little confused. Anybody know? I don't know how BOXYCHARM gets their items, but this says not for resale, but I don't care. $38 Cover FX primer. That's amazing. And again, cruelty free. Let's move on. There is one more item in the box. Sorry if my energy seems off. I feel off, and I hate it because I'm really excited because I love to do these videos, but I think it's because there's people out there, and I feel self-conscious to like talk loudly because I don't want them to hear me. But like I don't actually care. It's a weird dynamic that I'm in right now, and I don't appreciate it. And I wish that they were not in the office so that I could comfortably speak to you at top volume. This is what you get when you film in your office. But I didn't want to wait and film when I got home because then I wouldn't get this up till later tonight. And I know if you're anything like me, you want to see what's in the box immediately. You're online, you're looking up spoilers, you're looking up videos come the 1st of May, even though they're not sent out yet. You're like, what am I getting in my BOXYCHARM? I feel you, I'm here for you, that's why I'm doing this. Okay, now, the last item in the box is a little face palette from Pure Cosmetics. This retails for $30, and of course, Cruel Cosmetics. And of course, Pure Cosmetics is cruelty free. As I've already stated, everything in this box is cruelty free. And this is a freaking face highlight and contour palette. I am so excited. I was just saying I needed another thing because I've been contouring. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, it's Bradderstein, I'll put it on the screen here. I list all the makeup I use each day, and if you look at my contour, it's like Kat Von D Shade and Light Eyeshadow Palette, Kat Von D Shade and Light Eyeshadow Palette. I know I'm saying eyeshadow palette, I'm not getting that wrong. I used the top middle shade, I depotted it, got rid of the palette, and just used that for contour. So I'm excited to have something else to try in the near future. Let's look at it. Oh, mother F. Pure tapes their stuff. Okay, so 10 minutes later, once I got all the packaging off, this is the palette here. Focus, focus. There we go. And these are the shades right here. Comes with a mirror that's pretty decent. It's got a little phrase on it that says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. Such inspiration. Oh, it looks like they tried to do the Tarte Too Faced thing where it smells like chocolate. I appreciate. These shades look a smidge dark. Not gonna lie, I'm a smidge pale. This is a smidge dark, but if you are darker than I am, this is probably gonna work great on you. I'll have to try it first, you know, go in with a light hand, fluffy brush, weigh out the situation, see how it looks. But in the pan, looks a little dark. Swatch it, see how it's going. Ooh yeah, those are chocolatey. Oh, but see, on the hand, it's a little different. So those are the shades there. One's more cool tone, one's more warm tone. They are a little dark, but I will try them out and see, because you never know. And then we have the two actual highlight shades. They're not like light powders, they are shimmery actual highlighters for us highlighter girls. Those are the shades right there. They look like they'll both work on me, which thank you, actually. We'll have to see them on the face. That is them right there. They are not as extremely blinding. They're more like shimmery, so I'll have to try them on the face and see. I didn't bring a highlighter brush, so I can't show you now, but I plan on doing another one of those videos where I put on all the makeup from BOXYCHARM and film it and do a tutorial. I'll link one up above. I don't know which side it is, but I'll put one up that I've done before up here, and if you'd like to see that, I could do it with this palette. Just comment down below and let me know. I could use all these products, or you know, any products from BOXYCHARM. Let me know down below what you'd like to see, and I will film that because I had so much fun using that. It reminded me of all the stuff I got in BOXYCHARM that I had forgotten about. And okay guys, oh wait, I almost forgot. Let's see if it's transfer proof. Yes, transfer proof, dry down, liquid matte lipstick. And anyways, that is everything we got in this month's BOXYCHARM. The retail value this month for the box is $136, and you pay $21. So I think that's pretty dope if you ask me. Of course, everything will be down below if you want to sign up, and if you don't want to sign up and you still want to just go down below and say hi. Hi guys, hello. Say hi. I don't want to be just sitting here talking to myself, because that's really sad. That's sad, bro. You're gonna make me sad? Come on. Come on. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy BOXYCHARM videos, and make sure to subscribe so you can come back and see more, because I film them every month and I usually have early access. And again, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot, so make sure to come back and hang out with me. Join the Brat Pack. I still don't feel comfortable saying that, but do it. Do it. What is happening? And anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel, and I will see you in my next video, which I will go ahead and put on the screen here for you now. Go ahead and click that. That's the link to the video I put up later today if you're watching this on Wednesday in real time. It is a video where I showed you all the stuff I got in my VIB haul. So if you like to watch people open makeup, as I'm sure you do since you just watched me open this makeup, go ahead and click that link. And if you click on my face on the screen, it'll take you to where you can subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.